good day. May huli tayong isa. Sinuwerte, napatapat na naman siguro kasi sakit mang tanggapin, laging ang taas ng alon. Saglit lang naman tayo nagkakast, kaya we did our best. Talagang nagtiyaga, buti na lang nakahuli. Good size at saka mataba, malusog, kaya salamat sa Diyos. Talagang pahirapan lalo na siguro pagpasok ng bear months. Ngayon wala pang bear, ano pa lang, July, August, maalo na, pahirapan sa top water. Kaya salamat sa Diyos na nakadali tayo ng isa. I hope you like the video. And using Angler Armor jersey at saka storm rod from Cebu Tackle Shop. Si D1JQ lagi nagsasabi na good gears give good results. Thank you. Nice. Okay. 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 Got one. Okay. Angat. Nice one. Oh, big one. Nice one. Okay, flat lid. Okay, big one. Another toman, another day. Got one. Nakahuli tayo isang toman, and thanks God for this. Medyo maalon pero buti na lang may kumagat. Toman for the day, nice color. Yan, using Angler Armor jersey from Angler Armor and Storm Adventure Rod from Cebu Tackle Shop. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng mga ibang fishing gear sa Cebu Tackle Shop. Nag-shipping naman sila. Thank you very much. Thanks God. Another toman, another day. Thank you.